guess there's always time for something new. Thanks to Van Leeuwen. Inside this box, we have a new Suomy SRGP. I'm excited to get one of these things. Thanks to COVID, things did not, really go according to plan to get one in 2020. But these are the new helmets from Suomy. Whatever. It's in there pretty tight. Look at life. Okay. SRGP. Nice bag. Looks like it comes with, I'm guessing this is, yeah, like a chin, under your chin strap guard. Some stickers. Anti-fog lens. And some instructions. The bag is pretty nice. And inside the bag, another bag. Okay. Ooh. Inside is super soft. Very soft little compartment here for something, and another compartment on this side. Our bag, tie on the bottom. All right, now we get to see. No, we still don't get to see it. Just another tease. This is definitely flow yellow, nearing it on green. I've seen pictures online where it looks straight yellow. I've seen other pictures where it looks almost green, but it's definitely a flow yellow, more towards on the green spectrum. It is pretty light. I think they're about, I want to say like 3 pounds. It's not as light as my carbon SR Sport, but it's pretty close. Let's get the bag here. Finally, they added the quick release. They had it on the SR Sport, but it didn't have these red pull tabs, and if you're in tech and some race orgs, they want to see these pull tabs. So sometimes they gave you crap in tech. Super nice. Standard D-ring straps with the snap. That is nice. This is a metal lock here for your shield. I don't know if you can see that or not. There's a little latch there. Won't come up, won't fly up ever. Oh man, logo. And it looks like to pop it off. These are probably spring loaded. That is, so that would pop off. I don't have another shield with me right now to throw on it. The tinted shield is coming at a later date. It does come with a race shield stock though. I guess you can call it stock. With the pegs for tear-offs, but it is a clear shield. We got one vent there. That one's always open. A couple of vents there. It is definitely a super cool helmet though. And for those who race, know that every time you go through tech, they check the inspection date. This is behind the right ear, so you can tell them in tech to help their job out. It is, try not to get the shadows in there, but it's right there. This one is October 15th of 2020. Damn, it is light and it looks sweet. Be cool if that was normal yellow. But huge thank to Van Leeuwen and Suomy. I've been riding with Suomy for like 10 years. So, huge fan. Check it out.